Okay everyone, so hello. I am going to start work on a new painting here. Decided I want to try that Bristol Smooth paper again. So that's what you see up here on the easel. This is the 14 by 17 side Bristol Smooth paper. And I've done tutorials on this one before. I actually like the paper a lot. And so if you want to see a full tutorial, that is on my YouTube. You just got to kind of search down for it. But here it is, Bristol Smooth, and this is what it looks like. It's a smooth surface, so very smooth, very slippery, smooth surface. There's really no texture on the paper. It's meant for pen or marker, but you can use oil pastels on it. And but I thought, what if I prepped the surface before? And so I thought, what if I actually used the workable fixative first? Like sprayed it with workable fixative, let that dry, and then use the oil pastels right on top of that. Would that give me more grip, more friction? So I got a couple of different cans here. I got the Sennelier fixative, and I got this Krylon workable fixative, and I'm going to use one. I'll use the Krylon on one side, and then the Sennelier on the other side, and we'll see which one gives me better grip. Okay, so this won't be a full tutorial start to finish. I'm just going to kind of cut in and out of this painting. But I want to just see if applying a workable fixative first and then using oil pastels on top will give me some more grip with using this paper. All right, so we're going to start off with the Sennelier one here, and I'm just going to spray this lower half with it. Okay. Okay, so I let that fixative dry. It takes about 10 minutes for fixative to dry out. And so I'm ready to see how the oil pastels respond now with fixative on it. So I flipped the painting. So now down here is where the Krylon is. And I can feel a bit of difference in the feel of the paper. And up here is where the Sennelier one is. And not as much different, although I do feel a slight change in the way the paper feels on my fingers, okay? All right, so let's just see what it feels like with the oil pastel on it. This, I believe, is a Van Gogh or a Mungio. I think it's a Van Gogh, although it might be Mungio, but it's just a regular, almost like a Prussian blue or just a dark blue. All right, and here's the scene I'm going to be doing for today. So that's Yosemite, that's Half Dome. I just like the cooler colors, snow, and you got this warm where the sun's shining on it. I thought that'd be a nice effect. And you got some clouds there going over Half Dome there. Okay, again, this is not a full tutorial. I just kind of want to see if that workable fixative changed anything for me. All right, so this I think is the Mungio. We'll just start here where the Krylon was. Okay, and yeah, it definitely feels like there's a little bit more grip, just slightly different. You can see how easy I can just blend this on the smooth stuff. Okay, so that's the Mungio. This is also another Mungio. This is just a gray. All right. Again, very easy to blend because it's the smooth. And then if I blend hard, does the oil pastel want to come off? Because that's the thing about Bristol Smooth. If you put a lot of pressure into the blending, like if you press into it and you can literally blend it right down to the paper and really move it around, but I'm not experiencing that so far. And then this is a Craypause Expressionist, and let's just see. Yep, and again, that's easy to blend. Okay, now let's try these same ones up here on the where the Sennelier fixative was, just to see what it's like. So right up in here, we'll just go right here where I'm going to put Half Dome's going to go right here. So let's just see what that looks like. And again, I feel a good amount of grip or resistance. So I think actually using fixative first on it might be a better way to go when using the Bristol Smooth paper, right? That's nice, it feels good. And then the Craypause. Okay, so there you go. I was just kind of testing it out. I like the way so far it feels. I think it's going to be easier for blending. When working on a smooth paper like this, it changes how I blend, but now I can see that I can probably just blend like I normally do. All right, so anyways, I'll come back. You guys will see progress of this paintings as I go through it. All right, thanks for watching.